In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book flight in Korean Air 2026. Let's get started by opening the Korean Air booking site. When the home page loads, look for the main book section. This is where you'll set up your trip details. First, choose your trip type, like round trip or one way, if that option is shown. Then click into the From field and select your departure city or airport. Next, move to the To field and choose your arrival city or airport. Take a second to make sure you've picked the correct airports, especially in cities with multiple options. Now set your travel dates. Open the calendar to pick your departure date, and then choose your return date if you're booking a round trip. If your schedule is flexible, browsing nearby dates can reveal better fares. After that, select how many passengers are traveling. Make sure to set the right mix of adults, children, and infants so the fare rules and seating are accurate. Then pick your cabin class: economy, premium economy, business, or first, based on your comfort and budget. Once everything looks right, click search. The results page will show available options. Start by selecting your outbound flight. Pay attention to departure and arrival times, total travel duration, and any layovers. If there's a next itinerary or similar button, use it to move forward to the return options. Then choose your inbound flight, again checking times, connections, and equipment if that matters to you. When you've selected both flights, proceed to the booking stage. You'll usually see choices to continue as a guest or to sign in as a member. Booking as a member can help you earn miles and access saved traveler details, but guest checkout works fine if you're not enrolled. Before continuing, review and accept the terms and conditions so the site can finalize your selection. Next, add passenger information exactly as it appears on government-issued ID or passports. Small differences in spelling or date of birth can cause check-in issues, so double-check every field. If you have a loyalty number, enter it here. You may also be prompted to add contact details for flight alerts. When you're done, review your full itinerary and the final price, including taxes and any optional services. Confirm baggage allowances and change or refund rules so there are no surprises later. Finally, click Pay Now to complete your purchase. After payment, you'll receive a confirmation with your booking reference. Save it, and you're all set for your Korean air trip.